Hey guys, welcome to our channel. If you're a trader looking for a powerful platform with professional level tools, the Charles Schwab Thinkorswim might just be what you're searching for. So here, let's start with the charting tools. So as you can see right here, the charting tools is a top tier. So you can customize indicators, draw trend lines, and even backtest strategies. So it's extremely flexible for technical analysis. So second, you get access to paper money, which is Schwab's virtual trading simulator. So this helps you practice trading stacks options. Now, the third one is it offers real time data and advanced order types, giving the active traders the precision they need. So you can also set alerts and track the multiple watch lists easily. Okay. And then the next one is here it is not a simplest platform. If you're brand new to trading, the learning curve might feel overwhelming, but once you get comfortable, it becomes a powerful ally to your trading business. Now, the good news, the Schwab charges zero commissions on stocks and ETFs with competitive pricing and options contracts that makes it attractive for both casual and active traders. So is it think or swim worth it? Absolutely, because if you want professional grade tools, advanced charting, and robust resources for trading, but if you're just looking for something simple to buy and hold, the platform might feel like an overkill. So overall, the Charles Schwab Think or Swim is still one of the best trading platforms out there for serious traders who want depth, customization, and flexibility. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.